Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 21st, 2022. We are going to talk about Binance. Going to give you all a price update in the market for this cryptocurrency to see if price is going to continue to go up, right? You guys can see already in front of you, I did a price prediction. What was that? On March the 23rd, looking for Binance to go up. It was an updated price prediction, and the market actually came to where we thought it was going to go, and price has been coming down just a little bit though. So I wanted to come in and update all of our Binance holders and give you all the heads up as to where I'm seeing price go next. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions simply by looking at the price chart. I don't care about anything else. I strictly focus in on what people are trying to do with their own cash. Are they trying to sell it? Are they trying to buy this currency? And we can actually see the recording right here on the chart. So all we had to do is pay attention to what everyone else is trying to do to see where the market is trying to go. So y'all appreciate my video, my content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because whenever I upload my Binance price predictions, I definitely want you all to make sure you get aware of when I do them. So now let's check this out. Let's go over the performance of the market against my last price prediction, which was on March the 23rd. Now, originally, I had this price prediction all the way on March the 2nd. It took this one a while. I keep it real. I keep it a buck. The market in Binance has taken literally almost a month just for it to go to our ultimate TP price, which is around $455. Look at that. I told you all back here in the beginning of March to look for the price in Binance go up here to 455, and you guys can see since then price has been on a decline. Yes, you can actually pinpoint how high prices are going to go, so you know when to leave and take the profitability. That was around 10.39%. Now, granted, it's not a lot, but 10.39% is more than what we went into the position with, right? And this is how this game is supposed to be played. We take what the market is offering, and if it was only offering us 10.39%, hey, we'll take it. All right, so let's get rid of that. And now let's speak. Let's talk, because the market in Binance is not really doing a lot. I mean, it's just traded within two lines. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less, which gives us opportunity to continue to evaluate whether or not this currency is going to continue to go up. So let's try to do that, because one thing that I've noticed while Binance has been traded within these two lines is that the market is not really giving us that much weakness. Yeah, if the market in Binance truly was weak, we will see it trading down here if the market was really weak. But look at where we're at. We're trading up here towards the restriction level. So as we're seeing this price trade up here at the upper level line, this top portion line right here, we need to make sure that we continue to see strength. Because if we continue to see strength into the market in Binance, then we know that price is going to break to the outside. Yeah, it's going to break up. This is what I'm looking forward to. So the question I'm asking you all is, well, are we seeing strength right now? Can you see strength on the chart in Binance? Every price bar you're looking at right now is a daily price bar, meaning that it's a day's worth of trading. And I want to ask you all the question, do you see any strength here? What do you think? Does this market look strong in Binance? Just by looking. From my perspective, yes, this market is giving us some strength, and I'll show you where. Right here, April the 11th and the 12th, and then the second time was right here on April the 18th. Both of those days, the market is hinting that the buyers are here. The buyers are not trying to let price in Binance break below this level. They're not trying to let it break below this level. See that? That's the buy zone, $390. So as we continue to go forward into the month of April, concluding the month of April, going into May, we need to be paying attention to $392. As long as the price in Binance continues to trade above that level, then the prospect of us seeing price go higher is still on the table. It's just that simple. We've identified where the buyers are at. So we now know that the position of the buyers has been elevated. They once held price in Binance here at 360. Well, now they're up there around 390. Yeah. So we have an idea to where the stronghold of the buyers are at. Now keep that in mind as we continue to see this market trade. So let's look at this on a 2-day time frame. Maybe we might see weakness on a 2-day. Can you see this? Now, every price bar that we're looking at now is 2 days worth of price action. And yes, this is where we're seeing some indications of selling going on into the market in Binance. But I want to let you all know something. When we see selling on a chart, okay, when we see that the majority of the market participants are selling, we want to see price go down because it confirms the selling. So what if we see selling and the market is not falling? Price is still staying elevated because this is literally what Binance has been doing. It's been trading elevated. It's just been trading sideways. Even amongst all of the selling that's been going on these 2-day price bars, price has not fallen. That's a good thing for those looking for the price to go up. You guys can see it again here on the 3-day. Yes, there's been selling going on, but the price always came back to where it once started. Look at this on the 5-day. Weekly. 2 weeks. What do you think about on the 2 weeks time frame in Binance? We got 3 days and 13 and 14 hours left. I'll be the first one to tell you. At the conclusion of this current 2 weekly price bar, right here, if the price concludes the way that it looks right now, this price bar, then I'll still be looking for the price in Binance to go up. Because what happened on this last 2 weekly price bar tells us that there's still some selling going on here. So that the price is not necessarily ready to break above 440. Not yet. Not yet. But I still suspect that this market in Binance is trying to go up. This is the 3 weeks. Okay. So what we're going to do. I mean, I think you guys can see and you guys heard what I think the price is about to do. And we're going to continue to flow on with that same mantra. We're going to go ahead and say that Binance is anticipated to go up. Now, I told you 390 is where we need to keep our eyes open, right? So as long as the price in Binance continues to trade above 390, I'm going to look for the price to go up. It's just that simple. Now, ultimately, we know it's around 360 though. That would be the next level for us to see this market in Binance hold the trend or continue to trade within the trading range. Okay. Now, the first area that we need to be prepared to take some profitability, we already know it. It's around 440. That gives us 4.75% profitability. Like I told you earlier, we're not here to literally dictate what we want. We are here just to get what the market is offering. And if they're going to offer us 4.75%, then we have to take it. That's my first area. My second one is up there around 460. Okay, that's 8.5% movement in Binance. Now, from the long-term perspective, okay, from the long term, I'm going to look for price to come up here to like 470, 475. Okay. So now let's go ahead and let's see what the market does. Let's see if this is going to continue to lift up price or not. Okay. I really think that market may try to go close to that $500 in the long term. Do that there. Okay, so now let me run this back. First area, price target is around 440. The second one's around 460. And the third one, I would say around 475, 480. And the fourth one is around 500. Now that $500 price target, we're going to have to let time play out, right? It's going to be a while. I'm not looking for this to occur in like the next 3 days or next week or so. This is going to take us some time for us to possibly get up there around that $500 price, if at all, because we got to break past these sell levels, 440, 460, 475, 480, in order for us to really see that $500 come to fruition. So don't really be dependent on that $500 being tagged. I'm just saying. But everything else, the price, according to Binance, definitely look like the market wants to go up. So we just want to be in position to capitalize on it. And I'm done. It is your turn. I want you all to tell me real quick, give me a price target. Where do you think Binance is going to go as we approach the month of May going into June? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and it's always trade different.